we have Mang Tomas and we have Mang Tomas Lechon Paksiw.
Uh-uh.
We have different ketchup, UFC ketchup, and we have all these kinds of seasoning that we have here in La Suerte. So, mga Pilipino, please come join us in La Suerte Oriental Market in Cypress Garden.
Yeah! Ayan, nakita nyo mga Pilipino dyan, ang sexy ng ating endorser ng mga product. Thank you, Te. Thank you.
We have produce din po. We have, may mga product po tayo from Philippines, Goldilocks, we have Pandesa.
May Goldilocks sila!
Yeah, we have Goldilocks po. We have pork blood, beef blood, we have po lahat ng blood.
Okay, wag lang high blood ng asawa.
Yes, we have high blood.
Okay.
We have ice cream po. Okay, po, tita.
Okay. Thank you, Te. Thank you.